Everyone, my name is Sajjad. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create a Doodle group poll. So let's do it. So in the search bar of your search engine, just type it Doodle and then go to free online meeting setup. So my one is logged in, like as I have the ID. If you don't have it, you will find it something like this. So you will have to put your email and then you can create your account. So I'm just going to the sign in option, and then I will be creating a poll so that people can vote for their availability. Just go to the group poll, and then why this poll is created. So put your title of the group, put your title of the meeting. Suppose like why it is, let me just get it from one of my email. Suppose like this is a kick-off meeting. Kick-off meeting for suppose lesson 150 for the project. I'm writing, please vote your available. Yeah, I'm writing the please. Sorry. Oh, the thing is like there are some limitation in the title. So I'm please vote. Let's write only vote. So then you can write like please there are some, like as we are not using the pro, there are some limitations that I'll be discussing. So if it's an in-person meeting, just type the address where the meeting will be. Suppose like it's 3600 Bano Street. Okay, so you can also go to the Google Maps, or you can directly search the address in the Google Maps. But as my one is not pro, like I have to subscribe, so that's why it will not allow me. So let's continue. If it's a video conferencing, it will directly link up your Zoom account, or if you want some other things like Microsoft Teams or Google Meet, you can also add them. But adding Microsoft Teams or the WebEx, you have to be the pro, like Doodle Pro. So let's add your time. If it's a 60-minute, 90-minute, or you can also custom for 40 minutes. Let's make it a 60-minute meeting. So let's go to the next work days, like Monday to Friday. Suppose you want to create a poll for 9 to 9 on Monday, then 2 to 3, and then rest 4. Suppose on Tuesday you don't have any availability, on Wednesday you have there's 3, and lastly on Thursday you have 1, and Friday you have 3. So then just create and share, and you will have to copy this link. There is some preview options available, that if you have anything to correct, like the kickoff meeting, please vote. If you have anything else, you can also edit here. So everything looks good to me. I'm closing the preview as I've copied. Let's go to and create an email. Suppose like I'm going to invite, like you can invite other people also, but I'm not adding. So why this meeting is for, please please vote for 150. You can write formal invitation. I'm just writing it a bit, so in that way I'm just sending the invite. So let's see, we have received that formal invitation or not. So let me wait in my another email. Let me share it. So I'm just waiting for that email to come. Yes, so this is the invite. Like, please vote for FM 110, FM 150 kickoff meeting. Here is the link, or click on the link. So this will direct you. You can start voting. So check where is the address and everything. So suppose like you are available on one day, eight on there's two times on Wednesday, and you are all available on Friday. There is some another options like you can also vote if needed. No, let's put if needed here. Okay, and then go to continue. You can add your name like the person who voted here. Like I'm just adding, suppose for understanding what is your vote, submit your vote. So it's done from this one. Let's go to the email account from which you send the Doodle invitation. You see there are updates that I have bought. Like some people have voted on my link. You have got a response. So let's see who responded and when. So if I go to that meeting, you will see like it highlights that all this date is preferred because both the people are available on this date, or in this, like you can see all the people available similarly on these dates. You can have a look on your, like you can also edit in your kickoff meeting group poll. So that's all in the Doodle. Now let's do it on